Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the best air fryers of 2024. If you're looking to whip up healthy meals without sacrificing flavor, you're in the right place. Air fryers not only help you cook healthier, but they also make it super convenient. Let's get started. First up, we have the Philips Airfryer XL. This model features a generous 4-liter capacity, making it perfect for larger families. With a powerful 2,000 watts, it cooks your meals quickly, so you won't be waiting long for dinner. The Philips Airfryer XL offers multiple cooking functions like frying, baking, and grilling, making it your best kitchen buddy. Its special rapid air technology circulates hot air fast, giving your food a crispy outside while keeping the inside nice and tender. Plus, the easy-to-use digital touchscreen lets you select from preset programs with just a tap, making meal prep a breeze. Safety features like auto shut-off and cool touch surfaces give you peace of mind while cooking. This model is ideal for busy families and anyone looking for versatile cooking options. Next, we have the Ninja Dual Zone Air Fryer. This innovative design stands out with its dual zone feature. With 2 separate 4-liter compartments, you can cook 2 different foods at the same time. Powered by 1,760 watts, it provides quick cooking while allowing you to fry, bake, and dehydrate. The dual zone technology lets you cook foods with different times, maximizing your efficiency. For instance, you could fry chicken wings in one zone while preparing veggies in the other. Plus, it has audible notifications that let you know when cooking is done. If you love preparing multiple dishes simultaneously, this model is perfect for you. Now let's take a look at the Cosori Lite 4.0-Quart Smart Air Fryer. This model has a 3.8-liter capacity, making it a fantastic choice for smaller kitchens. With 1,500 watts of power, it's energy efficient and can be controlled remotely through a smartphone app. This app allows you to adjust cooking times and temperatures right from your phone. It offers versatile cooking options like frying, baking, and dehydrating. Plus, its removable parts are dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. With its smart features, you can easily whip up meals while sticking to your healthy lifestyle. This is perfect for those with limited kitchen space and tech enthusiasts. Finally, one of Ninja Air Fryer Max XL 2024's most popular air fryer models. With a capacity of 5.5 liters, this model is ideal for large families and cooks your meals quickly. Capable of heating up to 450 degrees, the Ninja offers a versatile option for cooking many different types of food. Plus, thanks to its airflow technology, it ensures that food is crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. This air fryer offers oil-free options for healthy cooking, allowing you to fry with less oil. This makes it the perfect choice for those who want to prepare healthy meals. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL makes adjustments extremely easy with its user-friendly touchscreen. Thanks to turbocyclonic heat technology that ensures even cooking, you can prepare all kinds of food perfectly. This model is especially ideal for users who care about a healthy diet, work hard, and want to prepare practical meals. It is the perfect choice for those who want to prepare crispy meals using low fat. A detailed look at the best air fryers of 2024. No matter which one you choose, you're making a great decision for cooking healthy and delicious meals. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video, and take care.